You know, whether you're in a high tax or a low tax state, you are still losing a lot of money because of this shutdown that's pretty much been countrywide. So what do you do now? Grady Trimble has been following that, and a dilemma for the high and the low tax guys. Grady.
Yeah, Neil, the big question is, how do you divvy up the money? Do you punish states like Texas, for example, that's been preparing for a downturn? Their rainy day fund, just to illustrate, could last them several weeks, versus here in Illinois, a state who's had financial troubles long before this pandemic started. Their controller recently said rainy day funds here in the state of Illinois could get them through about 30 seconds. So the question is, should states get bailed out equally if they get bailed out at all? And Illinois, by the way, one notch above junk bond status. The governor of Illinois, J.B. Pritzker, had been pushing for a graduated income tax before all this started, and he continues to say that during the pandemic, that's part of the answer.
We may need it now more than ever. And of course, this isn't just about 1 year. It's about fixing the structural deficit that exists for the state. We're in a pandemic. We're in an emergency. This crisis is.
The president of the Illinois Business Alliance firing back, saying now more than ever, people need jobs. We need to make it easier for businesses to recover. It's also the right thing for the workers of the state. Now, we should point out the financial futures of even low-tax states are uncertain right now. Texas, for example, getting a lot of its money from oil producing. Florida, another low-tax state, no state income tax, getting a lot of its money from tourism. So a lot up in the air right now. I think the consensus is that a bailout or stimulus is necessary, but how do you do that? That's the big question. Neil?